Well, I'm Rajneesh Gaur, presently working as General Manager for Jeevantara Resort in Udaipur. And if I talk about my career in this industry, I've been in this industry from last 23 years and worked for various groups and various hotels in Udaipur. Well, if I talk about my overall professional career prior to this hospitality industry, prior to this hotel industry, I was in FMCGs. I was working for FMCGs. I worked for various companies like Nestle India Limited, Godrej High Care, Pantaloon, Onida, almost for 8-9 years into that, and in various cities, different cities of India. That was way back. I would say I started my career in 1990. Then all of a sudden, rather before 1990, rather 80, 88, somewhere around. And in this industry from last 23 years, like I said, and it's been 23 years in Udaipur, and just for a few months or maybe a year I was out of Udaipur also. So given good amount of time to Udaipur city, and I'm blessed to be in this city because this city has also given me a lot. And if I talk about my present position, I'm working with Jeevantara Resort, which is Jeevantara Club and Spa Resort, from July 2020 this year as the general manager, plus taking care of sales also. Like I said that I am from a sales background, so obviously that is my core area and I take care of sales also whenever I'm free. Well, if I talk about my hard time throughout my life, I would say there were two hard times in my life. Unfortunately, when I was just 14 years old, I lost my father, who was actually a role model for us. He taught a lot to us, to the entire family. I was just 14 when I lost him. That was a very tough time of my life because we were just growing up. We were picking up the things in our life. We were studying. Then the second phase of the hard time, everybody, the entire universe, needless to mention, this pandemic time, COVID pandemic 19. So this is a very tough time which everybody has faced, not only me. And how I've overcome from this pandemic, I would say to everybody that one should have enough amount of patience to go through this situation. Whenever you fall in any kind of this kind of situation, one should have enough amount of patience. That's the only key thing that takes you out of this tough time. If I talk about people, those who inspired me, obviously my parents, my father, my mother. Unfortunately, I lost my mother also in the month of April this year. And my father, right from our childhood, taught us one thing very interesting to all, my younger brother also, my elder sister also. Whenever you work anywhere in any organization, never ever even think of doing any kind of cheating with your employers, with your subordinates, because the person who cannot be loyal to his organization, to his employers, cannot be loyal, cannot be trustworthy even to his mother, father, brother, sister, whoever is there in your relation. So that struck a lot in my mind. And right from my day one time, I've been concentrating, I've been taking it very seriously, this quote of my father, that be very much loyal to your employer, to your subordinates, to your any of the organizations wherever you work. Well, if I talk about this present industry, hospitality industry, if I guide to any of the youngsters willing to come to this industry, it's not just the glamour which attracts you to this industry. There are so many other things in this industry. When you want to come and join this industry, the very first thing is that you have to be very much courteous in this hospitality industry while interacting or while talking to any of your guests. You have to have enough amount of patience. And then, like when I landed in this industry way back in 1997, I kept on saying to other subordinates also, other colleagues also, those who want to come to this industry, they should not be watchers, because this industry needs good amount of time with a smiling face. Irrespective of how many hours you have given to your duty today, even if you have worked for 16, 18 hours, your face should always be a smiling face. If I'm asked to go back somewhere, so I would say that I've given enough time to this hospitality industry, enough time in sales and marketing prior to this industry. Now, if somebody asks me to look for or explore something new or go back, I would rather prefer to go for any of the NGOs where you serve people without any expectation, without any greed. But if I talk about hospitality industry, when you are serving in hospitality industry, you're serving in lieu of the payment which you're receiving from a client, and you're extending your best of the services. But when you go to any of the NGO, you should not have any expectation, you should not have any greed. There you work without any greed or expectations. That's what I personally feel. I've been dreaming to get into this line, NGO line, from a long time. So now I think it's time, when I have grey hairs also, and I can think of moving to the NGOs. Well, if I recall my childhood memories, like I told you that my father was in Air Force. So we have lived in so many cities. If I talk about North, we have been in Allahabad. You talk about West, we have been in Pune. You talk about South, we have been in Chennai. You talk about East, we have been in Assam, Chhabua. So I remember the childhood time when my father used to take us on Sundays, different Sundays. At times he used to take us to the air base just to make us understand how Air Force works. And at times he used to take us to different villages to teach us, to let us know that how the farmers work. So he used to tell us that farmers are always the backbone of the country. So you should know how the farmers work. And I'm really thankful to my father and my mother. They taught us a lot about this country's way of working, and they took us to different places just to give us a live practical examples. So I still recall those times when I used to move along with my parents, with my younger brother and my elder sister. Well, if you ask me what you do out of the time you get, so I would say, being into hospitality industry, to be very honest, you get very less time to spend along with your family. But yes, whenever I get time to spend some time with my family, I go out for a long drive, and I'm very much passionate about listening music, the old songs of Bollywood industry. So I get good amount of time in the music also. Yeah, if you talk about it, like you said, if I'm passionate about singing or listening music, so I'm not very good singer, but I recall one song of film Bobby that was launched in 1972, my birth year actually. I love a song of a very reputed singer, Shailendra Singh. He has sung a song, मैं शायर तो नहीं मगर ऐ हसीं, जब से देखा मैंने तुझको मुझको शायरी आ गई, मैं शायर तो नहीं. This is one of the favorite song of mine, and at times whenever I get free time, I sing this song for my wife because I love her a lot. Thank you, friends, for listening me, sparing out some time to listen me. It was really lovely interacting with you all and sharing my childhood story and my struggle time along with you. And this was really, this is actually a nice platform where I can share, where anyone can share his story. And like I told you that I'm working for hospitality industry, working for Jeevan Tara as a general manager. Whenever you get time, do drop into that place. We would love to cater you, love to extend the best of our services. My team would love to welcome you all at that place. Thank you very much.